my goodness, honeys, this is about to go because I am no longer a loose natural. That's right. Let's get into it. Hey, honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification, tell a friend, tell that friend to tell a friend. Everybody subscribe. Come back and see me, y'all, because hey, we are on a new journey, y'all. This is the last loose natural hair video that you will be seeing from me. From now on, we're going to be on a lock journey, y'all. I've talked about it for quite some time, and the time is here, okay? Look at the luscious. Yes, God. Let me tell you all, I installed my locks over 2 days. So I started on New Year's Eve and I ended on New Year's Day. So I went ahead and washed my hair. I did not deep condition it. I blow dried it with my Revlon one-step blow dryer. And of course, here are the beautiful, elongated, fluffy results. And y'all, I just love this footage of my hair, and I know that I'm gonna miss it, but moving forward, there's so much more in store for me. So this video is going to be a lot different than my other ones. You will not see a whole lot of twisting. You're just going to see the progression of my beautiful hair. And I just have to tell y'all, my hands were truly guided by God over these last 2 days when I was installing it, because listen, y'all, I had COVID and did not know it. I was emotional throughout the whole video, and this is just something for you all to see my base. So as you can see, I've already done 3 rows of twists here, as well as my nape of the neck has 3 locks that I'm going to be trying to keep. So let's just get into this video. Guys, enjoy it for what it's worth. I promise you, you will get several updates throughout the course of the year. Again, this whole process was just very personal to me, very spiritual, and there was not a whole lot of talking because, baby, this was me and God's time. All right, y'all, enjoy. Alright, honey, so now that I let you know what it is and what it ain't, girl, you do see that I pre-sectioned my hair in order to get the neatest parts that I could. Again, honey, these parts in this installation is all accredited to God and just the grace that I was experiencing as I was in the beginning stages of COVID. And right now we are at 56 beautiful locks installed in my hair, and we're going to go ahead and continue to take a look at this. Honeys, there will be several times throughout the video where you will see me literally just kind of giving praise to God, because I was just in a state of gratitude, y'all. I just felt so grateful to be able to do this for myself, and I was just so happy. My spirit was so light. Unfortunately, my husband was down and he was already sick and experiencing the symptoms of COVID. So that's part of the reason why I say, y'all, this installation was nothing short of God's grace. And when I tell you that my hands are blessed, baby, my hands are blessed, because this installation is on point. Love it. We're at 87. Y'all, at this point, I just could not believe how my hair was turning out. It's just so neat, and I was just so happy and thankful, y'all. The gratitude is all over me. Okay, honey, so let me tell you exactly what I did for my installation. I did braid down about 7 times before I started to twist. My hair is very soft, so I felt like this was necessary in order for me to maintain the twists and have an easier time for my first retwist. So if you want to start with just 2-strand twists, you can do that, but I braid it down first. I don't know why I'm so emotional. I think just finishing this process after so many hours and just really taking the time to do something for myself, and I'm just so excited about this new journey, and I'm always going to remember this and just the install. And January the 1st will always be my lockversary, so this is really amazing. 1/1/22. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm excited. God is so good. Y'all, I'm done. Let's look. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and ugly cried, girl. Listen, I just really don't have the capacity to continue to film today. So this whole installation was very personal to me. It was amazing. It was nothing short of amazing. Just sitting with God's grace, God's protection, God's acceptance, God's love. All of this is just so overwhelming for me right now. I am filled. My cup runneth over. I am so present. I am so purposeful. I'm just blessed, you know? This is just the beginning. So, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you guys for being a part of this journey. Peace, love, and a whole lot of light. Enjoy this little visual ode to my loose natural hair and protective styling, and I will see you all sooner than later.